Let's get your future-ready game started. First, open your browser and type in ringorang.com/future-ready. You'll land on the Future Ready page. Scroll down and click the green button that says Play Now. You'll be taken to the login screen. Using a phone or a tablet, scan either the Android or Apple QR code to jump right in. Feel free to pause the video here if you need more time. If you're new, you can use one of our single sign-on options to create your account. Future Ready works with Apple, Google, and Office 365. Choose the sign-in option your school prefers. Or enter your name, your school email, a username, and a secure password. Then click Create Account to move on. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. Anna says, be sure to use your school email address when creating your account. Anna also says, create a unique username that belongs just to you. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Scroll to the bottom and enter your invite code. This is usually given by your teacher or coach. Type in the code and then press the blue Submit button. You'll see the series your invite unlocked. Click Join Now to enter. You're in. Head over to Play, Learn, Win to start your challenge and earn rewards. Want to see who's on top? Check out the leaderboard and challenge yourself to climb higher. Need a refresher or want to explore more? Visit the Learn More library to revisit helpful content or see what's coming up. Click My Badges to see what you've earned so far from your gameplay. Head to My Awards to view the prizes you've won. And finally, visit My Sweepstakes to check out how many tickets you've earned for prize drawings. Need help? Scroll to the bottom of the screen and click Help and Support. You'll find quick links, tutorials, and our team is ready to help you succeed. That's it. You're officially future ready. Now go explore, earn, and grow, one game at a time.